Alright guys, I have a 2008 Nissan Altima 3.5. I'm gonna replace the steering wheel. Now I have a 2017 steering wheel that I'm gonna put on it. Yes, it's the one plug. It's definitely a one plug. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bypass it with a resistor that I bought at the electronics store for I won't have an airbag light. With this. Now you have a 2018 Nissan Maxima steering wheel. It will work and it's plug and play. This is a 2017. This clip, you're gonna need this clip. This is also plug and play and everything work. No cutting, no wiring, no nothing. The only problem I'm gonna have is just the airbag that I'm gonna bypass. One won't have no airbag light since it's the 2017 steering wheel. Now in the 2018, you don't need to bypass it. You can plug up the airbag, but just make sure it have this type of clip. I'll get back to you.